Yo, how's everybody doing today? Sheldon Frost here, the Frostman 21. How you guys doing? As you can see, I got the weekly time frame pulled up on Swab. Man, let me show you guys something. I got four dividend stocks and ETFs. Excuse me, I can never talk. I'm always stuttering. For you to benefit off of this is growth and dividends. So this is just returns all over. With this, I believe it's going to be a little pullback for everybody to get in, and eventually this is going to go a little bit higher. As you can see, it's just been trending up over the years. So do the math. As we get older, it's just going to. I load the boat up. Take your money. We'll take your money with it. Let me see. Second one I got for you. It's old. Look at old boy. Each month they're paying a dividend. Eventually they're gonna break out because as you can see down here in the technicals, MACD is just pointing straight up right here. So eventually they're gonna break out. They pay a dividend every month. Do your own research on these, and you'll see how much they pay. Right here, a quarter, but they increase their dividends as well, and they also grow. So I will load this up and just keep stacking bread. This one right here, JEPI. Beautiful chart. I'm telling you, it's beautiful. Ain't doing nothing but going up. MACD coming down a little bit. So it may come down a little bit. Somewhere around here, it's going to bounce. I think. So I will load it up. As soon as it come down, I will load it up. And it'll take your money to the next level. Shares, dividends. The last one I got for you is my favorite one. I'm probably gonna load the boat up on this one. EPD. Look at the MACD on this one though. That's the crazy thing. Like this one is just ready to just go up here probably at the $35. So if you guys like this type of content, man, leave a like, follow, subscribe, share to somebody, you know, get somebody started with investing. It's gonna change their life. You know, ain't nothing wrong with having extra money. We need money for everything. So yeah, that's all I got for you. Hit me up. I load the comments up. I answer questions. I go live every morning on Twitch. Sheldon Frost on Twitch. You can catch me at 9:30 tomorrow. At the time of this recording, this is 9:14 Sunday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Happy trading. Happy investing. Bye.